such as Alton Sterling, Eric Garner, and Michael Brown, to name a few. The criticism I received was for doing this was unbelievable. The NFL owners and executive, and of course Donald Trump, had to have his 2 cents. Dr. King, I would do it all over again. Sadly, I received death threats because of my actions.
Well, Colin, you know, I always protested peacefully. And I would not begin to tell you it was an easy task. I remember when we did the march in Selma, March of 1965, we were protesting the right to vote. African Americans were 3% of the population there, but the majority, but only 3% of the residents were registered to vote. Even though we protested peacefully, many of the marches were attacked and beaten. The protesters did finally lead to the Voting Rights Act of 1965.
Dr. King, you set the standard and I followed your lead. I say, if you're going to do something, you're going to do it to the best. You're going to do it to be the best. I'm going to continue to stand with the people that are being oppressed. If my actions have inspired others and brought more attention to the continued brutality and racial injustice, then I am making a difference.
Remember, faith is taking the first step, even when you don't see the whole staircase.